see your signs, I see your dollar signs.
Hi queens, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss.Cameroon. I am back with a new video. You guys know when I do my wig reviews, I don't have the wig on my head, okay? But this time I just wanted to talk about this wig and really kind of like tell you guys about this wig, because this wig is so popping. Like, oh my god, when I saw this wig I was like, this is it. I want it. I want it in this color. I don't want it in any other color. I want it in this color. If you want to know exactly where I got this wig and more about this wig, definitely keep on watching. Let me do a little slow-mo.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah.
This what happened when I think about you. Try to get my feelings, yo. Cause I'm really just yo. Next time to bring
I am obsessed with this wig. I am obsessed with the color. But yeah, let's get into it. So this wig was sent to me by Elevate Styles, my people. They're amazing. I'm so happy that I really met them this year or collaborated with them this year, because they really have like amazing selection of wigs. It's the Jocelyn wig and it is from Sensational Hair. I got it in the color that the girl had. Like literally when I saw this color on her head, I said I want that same color that is on her head. So this is exactly what I got, and this color is mauve. It also comes like in different colors. It also comes in another color that I wanted to get was mustard, which is like a yellow, but I decided not to do it because I'm already gonna have a mustard type color on my head. So I was like, I need it in mauve, so that's why you can part this hair in 3 different ways. You can do it a side part, which is my thing, you know. You can put it in the middle part exactly how I did, and you can also put it on the other side, which is the right side. So either part. I decided not to just part it in the middle because I just feel like it looks cuter this way. So the wig came with, it's not really a full frontal, but it's like it has like a little bit of lace in the front. So I just went ahead and I cut the lace, I cut the little hair, and I lay it down, slick it down. I honestly feel like when you get synthetic hair, you should work hard on your synthetic hair like it's human hair. People just slap the wig on your head and they don't try to do much, and I'm one of those people. I'm not even trying to like shade anyone. I'm definitely one of those people that just put synthetic hair on my head and not do much. Like today I was like, bitch, you need to do something about this wig, okay? So I really kind of like went ham, you know. I really use like a flat iron and flatten it right here. I kind of like lift it here. It doesn't even look lifted anymore, but I kind of like lifted the wig up here just to make it look more volumized or whatever. It looks like it's a human wig and I love it. Now let's talk about adding heat to the hair. So you can basically add heat to this wig. You can add it 350 to 400 Fahrenheit. I didn't add any heat, but like I told you earlier, I used like my curling iron, the wand, and I flattened it down right here. I think it made a big difference because it was a little bumpy and it made it look way better. So the hair is so full. It's so full, so bouncy. I really love it. It feels like it's a human wig, like it really does. I feel like I'm going to like the Oscars or something with this hair. Like the way that it waves like right here, I like the style a lot. Like I don't know how to really, you know, do all that stuff with my curling iron and stuff. I don't know how to do all that stuff. So when I get a synthetic wig, and it just does all of this stuff and it looks like a human wig, girl, like yes, this is it. So the wig comes with 2 combs right here, one here, one in the back, and then you have the strap. So you know me, with my small ass head, I basically made the wig like way tinier. This was just a quick video I wanted to mention because people wanted to know about this wig, where I got it. Like I said, it's from Elevate Style. The wig is from Sensational Hair and it is called Jocelyn, and it's amazing. I don't know the length. I know the wig is full. The wig does not shed. Literally one hair, like it does not shed. It's amazing. This wig, I am like really loving this wig, and I'm so happy about it. So I would definitely recommend this to anybody, you know, who wants to look like they have an expensive wig on their head. It's cheap. Yeah, the wig is about like $20-30ish. It's not that much. So I know you will love this wig because I love it. So but yeah, so this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I really am thankful for you guys to see more videos like this one. If you like, I will see you on my next video. Bye.
This what happened when I think about you.